Yawning. We yawn when we're tired, bored, or even when someone else yawns. But why? Scientists believe yawning evolved as a brain cooling mechanism. When our brains overheat, we take a deep inhale of cool air to lower its temperature. And the contagious part? That's evolution's way of keeping groups alert. If one person yawned, others did too, syncing alertness across the tribe. Goosebumps. When you feel cold or scared, tiny bumps appear on your skin. That reaction is called piloerection, and it's left over from when our ancestors were covered in thick hair. Back then, goosebumps made hair stand upright, trapping heat or making the person look bigger to predators. Today, we don't have enough fur for it to matter, but your ancient defense mode. Attraction to beauty. Ever wonder why certain faces or body types seem universally attractive? That's evolution at work. Our brains are programmed to notice symmetry, clear skin, and healthy features because they signal good genes and fertility. Even fashion and makeup trends, like smooth skin, shiny hair, or red lips, are all rooted in biology. You're not shallow. Your brain's just trying to make the best deal for future DNA. Craving junk food. Why can't we resist fries and chocolate even when we're full? It's because early humans didn't have steady food supplies, so our brains evolved to crave sugar, fat, and salt, the most energy-rich nutrients. Back then, that craving kept you alive. Now, it just keeps Uber Eats alive. So every time you reach for chips, that's 200,000 years of survival instinct whispering, "Store more calories, winter is coming." Fear of the dark. You might not be scared of the dark until you hear a noise. That instinct comes straight from prehistoric times when darkness meant danger. Predators hunted at night, and humans couldn't see them coming. Your brain still lights up its amygdala, the fear center, at the slightest unknown sound. Anger. Anger feels destructive, but evolution built it as a defense signal. It raises your heartbeat, tightens muscles, and makes your voice louder, all to warn others not to mess with you. In early tribes, showing anger could stop a fight before it began. Now, instead of scaring off saber-toothed tigers, we just yell at Wi-Fi routers. Shivering. When you're cold and start shivering, your body's performing one of its oldest survival tricks. Shivering is involuntary muscle movement that generates heat through friction, a mini internal fire. Before humans had clothes, this was our only heating system. Now we have jackets, but evolution refuses to believe that. Dreaming. Dreaming seems random, but many scientists believe it's an ancient survival simulator. When you dream, your brain rehearses danger scenarios, running, fighting, escaping, so that if something similar happens in real life, you react faster. In other words, your nightmares are prehistoric training programs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which one of these weird habits do you do the most?